amazing. Anyway, you know, the other day I make a drink, strawberry and mango drink. Some of our fans that was saying they're not seeing anything, but I'm gonna make you volume 2 of this Valentine drink. All right, and I want to show you how I did my one and how it come out really lovely and nice. And I'm gonna show you it is a smoothie, Valentine drink smoothie. It's gonna be fantastic, fabulous. Basically I use some frozen mango and some frozen pineapple and some strawberry. It is mango, strawberry, and also pineapple. Is gonna be really nice. I'm gonna use a little bit of honey just to bring up the flavor, you know, cause the pineapple sometimes a little bit too sour. But I know you guys will love this one, so please subscribe, leave a comments below. Thank you so much, and at least 500 likes, 500 comments will be brilliant. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do this one. Because my fans will say, Chef Ricardo, did you see how you do it? You never see this? I'm gonna show you exactly on the volume 2. Okay, I'm going to make you a Valentine smoothie drink. Again, volume 2. This is some frozen mango and some frozen pineapple. So basically, we're going to pop it straight inside of the smoothie ninja blender right here. That's a little bit too much, so let's step back a little bit because I'm not gonna make a lot. It's gonna make a little bit. All right, and strawberry. Just to bring up the flavor a lot. As you can see, I'm just cutting them and put them in straight like this. This is fantastic. All right, then as you can see, I just finished cut my strawberry. Then pour some honey, roughly a large teaspoon of honey. Little bit of water, not too much. It's coming up to Valentine, guys, and you know what I mean, we always have to make something very special for the ladies, eh? Then what we will do is blend. Nice and lovely. So now I just finished blend it, and all I don't need to do is just pour it in like this. Nice and lovely. So that's the volume 2, because the other day when I made the first drink, my fans them was saying, Chef Ricardo, I didn't see anything, I didn't see this, I didn't see that. So now this is the volume 2. Strawberry with mango and pineapple. I use the frozen fruits because it is the best to make the smoothie. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave a comments below, and thank you so much for tuning. This is just amazing recipe. It is coming up to Valentine, and this is what you need, guys. Thank you so much for watching my show, and hopefully we can come with better for the future. Thank you so much, guys, and stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. We got a lot more ideas, a lot more recipe coming out either way. My name is Chef Ricardo, and I represent the best recipe ever in this world. See you next time. Bye bye.